Before we dive into the actual course, let's see some of the prereqs that you need in order to make the most of your learning. This course assumes that you're very comfortable programming in Python. We'll primarily be using Python 3 for all the demos in this course. If you need to brush up on your Python programming skills, here are some courses on Pluralsight that can help you. Python Getting Started, Python Fundamentals, Advanced Python. The software and skills that you need to know in order to be able to do the demos comfortably is first, of course, Python 3 programming. And secondly, you need to understand some basics of HTML and CSS. If you're completely lost about how a web page is actually built, you'll find that scraping doesn't make that much sense to you. A very basic introduction is enough. You need to know stuff like an HTML page is composed of nested HTML tags, such as the p tag, the div tag, the span tag, and each of these HTML elements is styled by applying a CSS class to it. We start this course off by understanding the various features that Scrapy offers in order to scrape websites. We'll work with the Scrapy shell and get a detailed understanding of how XPath and CSS selectors work. We'll construct spiders to crawl web pages, and these spiders will use items, item loaders, and item pipelines to make their job simple and efficient. We'll then move on to understanding the built-in services that Scrapy has to offer in order to crawl at scale, such as logging, email notifications. We'll also see how we can debug crawlers using the Telnet console. We'll also see an example of how broad crawlers work. Broad crawlers make concurrent requests to multiple sites in order to speed up the crawling process. We'll also see how we can auto-throttle broad crawlers so that we don't fall afoul of website policies. We'll then move our Scrapy crawlers to the cloud. Scraping Hub Limited is the company that develops and maintains Scrapy, and they have a very useful cloud platform that allows you to build your spiders on the cloud. You can either deploy your locally built spider to the Scrapy cloud or use their UI-based tool Portia, which offers a point-and-click drag and drop way to scrape websites.